Hi girls, Em here, heading out with the girls tonight. Going to do a little bit of a makeup tutorial, so let's, oh, that's a little, oh, it's moving me, hang on, oh, awkward. Doing a little bit of makeup, just cleaning my face, you know, just giving it a little bit of a massage. Feels so much better when I do that. A little bit of music pumping in the background. That is a that helps any whiskers that I might have developed. That pops them out, and in fact I'm just using it all over my face just in case. In fact, it's a little bit of foundation. I think I'll use it as foundation. Got a love heart just to get the mood right, and I'm going to use that as a sponge. So let's just sponge that stuff in my face. There's some Revlon. I've used it many. Oh, there's enough. Where's it gone? Lucy! Lucy! What'd you do with it? Oh, I hate it when that happens. Okay, I'm going to put makeup on the back of my hand just to get my hands looking nice and fresh. Awkward. Oh, I've just wiped a bit of clay on my head. Anyway, Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics for the Obsessive Compulsive makeup artist. Just going to draw little Indian marks on my face to get into some sort of character. Going for the Braveheart look, maybe. Oh no, I'll just go something a bit more modern. Just under my eyes. Yeah, let's just get the love heart out and sponge it all back in. All around my, yep, just under, yep, just stop, not so hard on my head. Okay, high definition powder. This is just a bit of talcum powder to get me smelling all nice and fresh. Oh, look at that. Got a mirror. I opted for a whole different range of sort of beigey browny colours here. Got a little itch on my nose. Get that. Oh, yep. Awkward. Feels better now. Here we go. Okay, let's just put some powder on my my face. Try to highlight my cheekbones here. Always, yes, wine. This is some wine tasting makeup. Great for wine. Let's get, oh, that nose is just getting really annoying. It's just like itchy. Okay, let's grab, yeah, oh, sorry, hang on, just excuse me while my nose just get, oh, come on, get that out. Anyway, a bit on my cheekbones, just to sort of highlight my cheekbones. Hope I don't get another itch. Anyway, lots of, yep, yes, my nose is still there, thank goodness. Little roundy circle sort of things. Let's go for white. Gonna put white on my eyelids because that's a part of my face that people see all the time. Yeah, just little dab here, little dab there, little dab will do you anywhere. Okay, under my eyes. That is a little brush that I like to use. I call it my little brush, and it's great for my eyebrows. Okay, what have we got here? This is a little bit of lipstick. We're going to put this on a cotton bud and put it on my brows, which is, yes. See, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make my eyebrows a different colour, like a blood sort of colour, like dried blood. It's really effective when you go out at night. The girls are going to love this on the dance floor. Oh, I'll get another cotton bud out. Let's see, let's make my eyebrows a little bit more colourful. This is where I wish I'd tattooed them and just wouldn't have to worry about this every time I go out, but let's just put a little bit of glue in there. This is another little jar that I like to use. Kind of puts a little bit of white on the edge of my eyebrows. A bit like I've got a bit of frost stuck on the edge of my eyebrows, like I've just been out in the snow and it's a little bit stuck there. We're going to make my eyes a bit red now because I like that kind of I haven't got any sleep in 36 hours look. Let's go around there. Yeah, that feels really nice. It's a nice soft brush, that one. Then we're going to go for different colours now. I quite like Wanderlust in the middle. Yes, good choice, me. Go me. We're going to put that in the middle bit because sometimes you get a bit of sleepy dust in there, and it keeps the sleepy dust from coming out at awkward times. Yeah, let's go. Yep, just check the moustache out a little bit. Okay, yeah, whiskers all gone. That other stuff worked really well. That darn camera. So I'm using unicorn blood. Taken from real unicorns, mind you. It's quite expensive. Out in the back of Siberia, they found your unicorn, extract their blood, and I'm going to put it on my lips. I find this is a really good look when you go out at night and do a bit of partying. Let's just smudge it about there to make my lips look a bigger. Oh, that darn scratch. If I don't get rid of that soon, I'm going to be very annoyed. Okay. I'm using a hair clip to, yeah, I'm gonna put the Southern Cross on my face. There's 3 stars there. Oh, oh no. I decided against the Southern Cross. I went for some upside down triangles, and I've got this little, it's, ow, ah, oh, oh. Right, so putting a bit of mascara on my eyelids, again going for the frosty Jack Frost, I've been out in the snow sort of look. I like that little white line down just so people know where the middle of my bottom lip is. Right, so let's just tidy up the side there. So just going to do a little bit of work on the side there. That nose, I've just put a little bit of anti-itch ointment on my nose so I don't just keep touching it. Yep, sleepy dust all gone. Just checking that last little bit. And there you have it. I think I'm getting close here. That's the closed eye look and the open eye look. Oh, yep. Just going to put a wig thing around my neck, because that's a good look. Oh, what the heck, we'll go for it on my head instead. Let's, awkward, those ears, getting that on spot now. I like this wig. I like to call this my messy hair with a part down the middle sort of wig. My little off the shoulder number. And this is the bit where I try to do these little sort of sexy looks. There you go, let's just finish this off with some nice music. Boom. Boom, 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 boom.